Inside the Magic, covering Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Universal Studios, and more.
This year, really excited. We've got the best offerings that we've ever had for the Epcot International Festival of Holidays, and all kinds of new stuff. We've got the L'Chaim Holiday Kitchen between France and Germany this year, and just an amazing offerings, really resonating with our guests. We wanted to look at holiday traditions around the world, but really focus on comfort foods and kind of what we like to call a sense memory. You're going back to grandma's house and having that item.
New marketplace we have this year with L'Chaim, featuring our pastrami on rye. It's all in-house made. I think it's really about the comfort of that deli-inspired marketplace or holiday kitchen. We have potato knish, which is in there with an herb sour cream. We also have our black and white cookie, which is part of our cookie stroll. Other marketplace as well as Feast of the Three Kings, where we offer two different kinds of arepas. We have a queso fresco arepa, and then we also have queso fresco with shrimp, and then we also offer a rice pudding there as well in our marketplace. So we also have our traditional turkey meal, which is in our American holiday table, and it's sliced turkey, it's fresh made mashed potatoes, stuffing, green beans, gravy, a little bit of cranberry sauce. And it really speaks about comfort and trying to, spark those memories in our guests. So we have some cookies which you could find in your passport, and it'll give you the areas that they're in each marketplace. But we have cookies like a sugar-based cookie, which is peppermint. We have 2 chocolate chip cookies with different garnishes of either a dark chocolate or a white chocolate. We also have our black and white cookie as part of that stroll. Our gold sprinkled and inspired chocolate chip cookie as well.